Hello, hope you're ready to learn letter I. We're going to do lowercase I first, and lowercase I is a plain letter, which means he starts at the plain line. So we're going to start at the plain line, draw a straight line down to the grass line, and do a dot. I know on my paper, it shows a big old square. You're just going to do a little dot on top. Remember, we start at the plain line. We draw a straight line down to the grass line and a little dot. Easy peasy letter I is. So I will show you how to make your perfect little dot on your letter I. So first I'm gonna find my plain line. Here it is. Put my pencil on my plain line, straight line down to the grass line, and a dot. Find my plain line, go straight line down to the grass line, and a dot. So just a little dot. You don't need to make a big old square or big circle. We just want a line down, little dot. And I says eh. So we have I, itch, eh. Kind of like you saw something gross and you're like eh. And then we have uppercase I. And we know that our uppercase letters always start at the skyline. So we're gonna point to the skyline. Put my marker down. Oh, Miss Sam. We'll get the big one out. You're gonna point to the skyline, draw a line down to the grass line, cross at the skyline, cross at the grass line. For big letter I. So get your pencils ready. Find that skyline. Remember, we go line down to the grass line, then we pick our pencil up, we cross at the skyline, and we cross at the grass line. Put your pencil on your skyline, draw a line down to the grass line, pick it back up, cross at the skyline, cross at the grass line for uppercase I. And like I said, I says eh. So I'm going to show you this because it's just like our card. And I know it has a monkey on it and it gets a little tricky, but I is not for monkey. I is for itch. See this monkey? He's got a serious itch. So it's itch. And letter I on our board, like you saw with letter U, is red letter. And that's because letter I is a vowel. And a vowel is a letter that has more than one sound. So for you, we had U up, and you can also say U for unicorn. I is kind of the same letter. So we have I, itch, eh, and I can also say igloo. So we could say the eh for eh, or we can say I for ice cream, or iron. So I can say I and it can say eh. It's kind of tricky. We're going to focus on the eh. So it's I, itch, eh. And you see my face is kind of funny when I say that. Eh. We have M, man, N, nut, F, fun, B, bat, B, and T, top, T. Remember, T does not say T, T says T. And I, itch, eh. And like I said, we have iron, ink, igloo, in, so it's in the box, ice, ooh, yummy ice cream. And that is our lesson for letter I. Keep practicing on your paper. Remember to look at your different lines. We have the big one over here. Miss Sam, where are we going? So we have our different lines, right? Our skyline, our plane line, our grass line, and Mr. Worm line. And Miss Sam's computer is all crooked, but I just want you to remember, skyline's always at the tippy top. Plane line's right in the middle, grass line, and worm line is way at the bottom. I know we haven't had a worm line letter yet, but we will have one soon. I know you guys like that worm line. So have a great day writing your letters. Letter I. I also know that we are behind our remote kids because we just are not in school enough to get our letters done, but we will catch up. So have a great day. Bye.